As you know, friends, right, protecting families, bringing them back. You just put on the solar panel install. Batteries in the front, so the easiest way to do that is to put it to the front. Path of least resistance, I'd say. So anyways, we did it to the front. All we do is drill 2 holes. It's actually worked out that way better because there's some friction there, and it actually keeps it with tension so that you don't have to worry about being pulled out. So now we're just gonna put some zip ties in the back to kind of tie it so that maybe we'll tie it on the inside like this so that keeps it together. And also I don't know, I might just tie these together, keep them from flopping around too. That might be a good idea. And then just kind of keep them together. So alright, well, thanks for watching. This is the zip ties over there. This you don't need. It was actually too big of a hole for what I needed. And I'll put a solar panel that's similar to what I got. I got it just on AliExpress rather than Amazon. It took a little longer to get, but you want it faster, you get on Amazon. It's a flexible kind. It's only $200 for a decent set of panels instead of paying a couple grand for that one that you put in the house. I think they way overcharged for that one. Anyways, alright, thanks for watching. Description, link is in the description below.